Jeddah Park. No, actually not Jeddah Park. I'm at a park or near the Corniche. I'm right where the Jeddah sign is. It's early in the morning. It's hot. There are flies all around, but I pushed through. Okay, I gotta cross. These cars don't seem to want to stop. Yeah, this place is beautiful. Oof, flies are all around me. I gotta walk against the light. Oof, oof, fly, get away. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I saw the sign. Now I can go. Oh my god, it feels so good. It doesn't even feel that hot. I saw a pinkberry somewhere close to here, and I'm determined to get pinkberry. But before that, let's walk to the mosque. Or should we look at that little stand? The sip and sack? Oh, I should have just started from there. Look at this. There's a sip and sack. Hello! And they're open so early in the morning. What time do you open?
Open?
Yeah.
24 years.
24 hours. Oh, so this is a 24-hour stall. And they sell popcorn, juice, tea, drinks, chips, nuts, cookies, anything you can think of, they have. Look at that. And they even have sujada. Is that for ijar? Sujada?
Yes.
Or lil ba'?
Yes.
For ba' or ijar?
Yes.
Oh, so okay. So you can rent for ishtari or sujada?
English.
English. So do you sell that, or is it for rent?
Yes.
For renting. Okay, so you can rent the carpets. They got juices, everything, and it's a little pink stand. Really nice. You want to say hi? Let me get you closer. What's your name?
My name is Khalid.
Khalid. So Khalid works at Sip and Snack
Yes.
here in Corniche. Okay, Khalid. Bye. Thank you. So he's right in front of the Corniche.
You
See
are
that? From Canada.
Canada?
Canada. Bye. Thank you. There is a washroom right next to Sip and Snack. Very convenient. Oh my god, it's so relaxing. And beautiful at the same time. Relaxing and beautiful. I hear it's either a bird or someone yelling or squeaking. Look how relaxing this is. I can sit here all day. I should get my pinkberry and then come back and sit here. Oh my god, this feels like the wind feels amazing. Okay, let's walk around. You got chairs and they're physically distant, spaced out properly. Here is the Jeddah sign from the back. there's like a fountain in here. There's like a little water area. Oh my god, it feels so good. I like her bio. It says fashion on it. Fashion. Here's a vending machine of just water. So snacks, I don't see any snacks in here. It literally is just water. And I'm sure you're gonna need to get some water when it's hot outside or when you're walking around. Mochaccino. There's a snack bar and a place where you can get mochachinos. Is more of the water. I see mollusks in the water. You just saw a lady getting her exercise on. This building. I'm sure it's gonna be beautiful once it's built. Let's walk around this way. Walk right near the water. It's really relaxing and calming. I should have came here really early in the morning. Oh my god, fly! Get away! The waves. Oh, that's so nice. Because I can't get over how beautiful this is. Oh, I see a crab. You guys can't see it, but it's... Where did it go? It's on that rock right there. I want to jump in. It's clear. I wonder if this is the Red Sea. I don't know. Here's a man exercising. Get your exercise on. Okay. It's a little too bright, so we're going to turn down the brightness. Here's a washroom or a bathroom. There's a Baskin Robbins and a Dunkin' Donuts. So after your exercise, you can come and get your ice cream. It's not open. And your donuts. Baskin Robbins and Dunkin' Donuts. Right by the beach. Or the Corniche. That has to be not wrong. Oh my god, I see crabs. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 crabs. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crabs. Can you guys see that? So there's a family just chilling. Here are people inside Dunkin' Donuts. There are more people here, just again chilling, drinking coffee. Okay, I'm gonna go to that mosque right there and see what it's all about. Oh, I see a fish! Or 3 fish! Can you guys see that? Let's zoom in. It's like a family of fish. Wow. Where are you guys going? Come on. Come on. There's a whole bunch of them. Someone's doing a TikTok or a Snapchat video or Instagram, one or the other. Can't really tell what they're doing. I see some down people.